Episode number 59th, delivering some milks. And I don't know how today's day is gonna be, but what I'm definitely sure is there's a lot of things to do. There are a lot of things on my to-do list, so let's see how today's go. Have a look. And also, guys, the only reason I don't do all these types of videos is it's like the same thing each and every day for more than 1.5 years. That's the reason. That is why I don't record this, because I think so this will be like boring for you guys. But I definitely am right now trying to do a lot of things, and you'll definitely get to see a lot of new things as well as results. I'm back. So you would have watched that. I today a little bit of tried to do some outdoor vlogging as well and show you how I give that, like how I basically roll in the morning. And the one thing which I'm right now, I'm regretting that I did the mistake is I recorded the footage into vertical way, not into horizontal way. So it's basically I don't know. Basically, I used a phone in that way, and uh, outside it didn't hit my mind that I have to record in a this way. So that's the thing, and yeah, I'll definitely try to next time when I vlog, do this type of things. When I came back as usual, uh, to save time, kept that video for rendering. At the night only I had edited, but only few things were left, and at the night I was like very tired. So I saved the Premiere Pro project file, and today when I came back, I kept it for rendering, and that vlog is pretty short because in that vlog I wasn't able to do Q&A or specific videos. I did just only show what I did. That's the vlog, right? And it's already 78% rendered, so it's a very good thing for me because it's like only 8 to 9 minutes long. Other than that, my vlogs are majority of the vlogs are 15 to 20, sometimes 25 minutes long. And let's see how my today's day is, because today also there's a lot of execution, but maybe I'm not sure like I'll be able to vlog. I'll try my best to give you as much content as possible, but let's see. And also, guys, one thing which I forgot to say to you is yesterday, in the yesterday vlog only, I forgot to say you that yesterday I also did outreaching a lot of people. Where around 15 or 20 people I reached yesterday, and it was like that looked like, oh, it takes a lot of work, but it isn't like just copy and pasting things. Yeah, what I was doing is basically going to Instagram, search hashtag small businesses, just search that. You'll definitely find a lot of small businesses, whether it's a local business or they are some personal brand trying to sell stuff. Get onto the project. I'm saying project. Get onto the profile, and what I did was basically looked out for like if they have a website, and if they didn't have a website, I was like, hey, so and so, whatever the name is. Uh, I really like the product which you sell, but the only thing right now I didn't like about your is, I'm not saying you have to directly like type this. I'm just giving you my example. Yeah, as I see that you are trying to sell good stuff, but you don't have a website, which means that maybe you are losing a lot of attention or sales. Just type it, and I'll be able to not do it for free. I'll make it for free. Just text that, and out of 100 you'll get, maybe you'll get one, because it's hard. Like people feel right now it's like so much scams and frauds are going. People, first thing which they think about is, he's a scammer, he's a fraud, he'll take my money. This is the thing which came to others people mind. And just think about it, like today no one is gonna work for you for free, right? This is the mentality which people have, and still I gotta do the process. Vlog, now I just came back, and right now the time is probably 4:38. So my majority of day is like it missed on. Yeah, today I was like doing, have to go from here to here, then from there to some other place, and then from there to here. That's it. I wish I could show to you my like daily life or personal life as well, but I don't think so. Yeah, right now I'm not comfortable in sharing that, maybe in future I will do that, or else maybe I'm not do that. But for right now, I'm right now only interested in showing you my work life or professional life, quote unquote professional life. And this is how my day goes. Yeah, today the best thing is that my vlog is rendered first. That's the first thing. My micro content, uh, 40 to 50% is done. There is also thing, because on the episode number 57th or 56th, I did any Q&A or anything to, so that I'll get some content to fill up my micro content. So today I have to, no doubt, have to come up with Q&As, and right now I have to force myself, because I have to do everything fast because my article is still pending as usual. I don't know how much time it's gonna take to upload, but the situation is that everything is getting postponed. So let me come up for you guys with some Q&A. This is the best tripod, right? I've kept this on my chair. So the thing which I'm right now gonna talk about, or what I have thought to do a Q&A on, it was very quick. First of all, what I did yesterday on my previous vlogs is basically I DM people for making a website for free. Yep, for free. So what I thought about that is, why not to make a video on why having a website, for whether you're a brand or like a local business. Yeah, if you're a big business, you'll definitely have a website, but why having a website is necessary. What Oh, this is a cool effect, right? Anyways, so why it's necessary, whether you're a brand or personal brand or a local business, having a website is a must. Here's why. If anything, like, I'm just gonna share you my experience. If I heard anything on LinkedIn or Twitter that this company have bought this, or like have done any changes, or it's growing, it's losing money, what I do basically, I don't know, let's Google it. Yes, I don't search on YouTube, right? A company's name, I usually, or a person's name. If I found any person who is right now making very good content, what I'll do is, yeah, there's sometimes people search on YouTube and Instagram, but to know further, people do search on YouTube, like ABC. Who is he? ABC, and if he has a website, it will definitely pop up. Yes, first of all, if you have a website, you can divert a lot of changes. That's what I am right now trying to do. If you have a website, and if you're bringing some traffic through search, which is SEO or SEM, and you can also, basically it's like a hub for, if you're bringing traffic from SEO, you can also divert that traffic to your YouTube subscribers, or else to your podcast listeners, or else if you have anything to sell. Yes, if you have anything, service, product, whatever, forget about eBay or else Etsy.com. Don't list there. Have a website, or forget about Shopify. Yeah, Shopify is your only website, but you should have a website, because once you have a website, you are basically the owner of a house, online house. You can make a shop, you can make a page, you can make a contact page, you can add all your social profiles. People will come in, people will go, like, people go, basically, for example, I am a consumer and you are a creator. Okay, I found a good blog post which you had written. I came to your blog, I came to your homepage. From there, through social icons in the up, I get onto your podcast, I get to know about your podcast, I listen to your podcast, and also I definitely like the content. Then I went on to YouTube, and basically it's like a circle where if people are liking your content, they're definitely gonna consume a lot of content of you. But having a website, it's like, it's basic, like everyone have a website right now if they are into digital, like a local business from local business. Because if you have a Google My Business, you should definitely have a website. And I am right now on a Google My Business, so I have a store over there. That's why I have my website. And if you are trying to sell stuff, if you're trying to get leads, whatever you can do, like whatever you want to do, you can do there. So it's basic. Like, if you're not having a website and you're just putting out content, I'm talking about the marketing thing, I'm not talking about sneakers and all that stuff. Yes, it's basically, it also ends up in the individual's choice, but I definitely recommend having a website, and it's cheaper. Like it's only 1400 rupees, Indian rupees. So it's like 15 to 20 in 15 bucks or 20 bucks. You'll have a website for a 1 year. So I think so that's a really good move, and I recommend you having a website too. How was my new tripod? Basically, it's like I have that tripod here only. Instead of me pulling it and setting up, I thought to let's make a use of this chair. What if I have nothing, only a mobile phone? So this is example. You don't need everything, and also like the thing is that if you are right now watching this video and you have already watched why having a website is necessary, and if you're a brand, business, or anything, if you don't have a website, DM me, I'll make it for free. No, I'm kidding. This was a thing which I have done. Like right now it's more than 30 to 40 people I've DM'd, and I've got 0 subscribers. Did I said subscribers? I get 0 response from the DM because people think that it's a scam, and you just have to do it for a long time before anybody if you out of 100, if you even if you get one reply, if you get one project done, you make a website, you'll get a testimonial. And when you get a testimonial, if they like your work, then definitely pitch with your other services which will be paid. Anyways, hope this was helpful, and if I have anything to share with you in this vlog only, I'll definitely add up later on, but I don't think so I have a lot to share. It's like editing, and I have to complete my article. And also today's day was like pretty rushed, but I definitely I'm proud that I did some outdoor vlogging, which will definitely add some content on this vlog too. So hope this was helpful to you. If it was, let me know in the comment section, and I will love to hear it. I really appreciate your time, and thank you for watching.